challenging the judgment of the Central Administrative Tribunal as far as the retirement two not too much.
The contempt matter that is regarding the pension matter of the website employee. That is pending since 2023. The government SLP has been dismissed.
My lord, rate appeal 6/2017 was running before the summer vacation but never reached. So I also give memo, but it has not been not listed.
You are appearing in person?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give-
And I'm from Kolkata, so kindly take the matter for hearing.
Okay.
Lordship, I may pardon to mention, I mean virtual Lordship.
Please wait, please wait. Please wait.
Pardon to mention, Lordship, this is a matter for initiation of land acquisition. The matter is next date of hearing of this matter is on 7th of July. Lordship, but monsoon is expected and the water level will rise, submerging the land completely in the lake, and demarcation will be impossible, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly consider the urgent listing.
What is the matter?
Initiation of land acquisition.
Land acquisition matter are not being taken off this court. You have to move from other benches, assigned
One of
benches.
the matter regarding surface in this.
You, Babu, for the matter, saying in person appear opportunity. The council, believe, member, because
He's there Monday, Tuesday. When can he come?
Are you presently here in Cuttack or traveling?
I'm living in Kolkata and we come here and go back again if it is not listed.
Next week, and when can you come so that?
Yeah, Your Lordship, if listed on Tuesday, I can come.
Tuesday. All right, Tuesday.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Lordship, I may pardon to mention, Lordship, permit me, it is a criminal appeal. It is a IF for interim bail, Lordship, on health ground. CRLA 560/22. List matter may kindly be listed. It is a IA 1399/25, Lordship.
So you can give your memo.
Lordship, I will give the hard copy before your Lordship's registry. For
Yes, yes. All right. Yes, call. Yes, Mr. Pradhan. What is this matter? 302 or what?
302 matter.
Life imprisonment. All right. Admit call for the trial court report. Interim application for bail and sterilization of fine to be considered after receipt of the trial court report. Deposition copies to be supplied to the running counsel for the state in the meantime. Yes.
Item 2.
Convicted for life imprisonment.
302.
301.
Same one. Next.
Item 3.
Right. Delay condone.
302.
302 तो
302.
admit बाकी engagement से
Nikki.
हाँ ये जो 20 तारीख पे नॉर्थी बोल दो कि सीरियली करी तो अपन ऊपर next one is in time, so admit. Yes.
Item 5.
Yes.
And what the opposite bank?
What is this matter?
That my lord securitization notice, auction sale notice was challenged, and that my lord, it is my lord held due to non-participation of any intending bidders. Now my lord, the matter has become infructuous.
Why?
Because my lord, now only thereafter no auction sale notice has been published, and the bank has filed the original application before the DRT, and the same is pending.
And the notice was 2022.
Yes, my lord.
Look on. This non appears for the petitioner. Mr. Swai, Land Council appears for the opposite party bank and submits that the matter has become infructuous as the petitioner has challenged the e-auction has already been held and it has become unsuccessful, and the bank has
Filed the original application bearing 9/27
filed the original application before
the DRT.
before the DRT.
got up,
For what purpose?
for recovery.
On behalf of Mr. Achille, I pray for
Please, we
Passed by the London Tribunal, granting the RACP in favor of the petition, opposite party was the applicant, without giving opportunity of filing show cause.
Opportunity of?
Show cause, counter.
But you have a policy now, or is it policy?
Policy, but
Then?
that, no, that policy here is he has earlier appointed as the Surinder Forester, but some
2018 and notice must have been issued.
And no notice at the first instance.
What is the order sheet, please?
That was
Is it order number 1?
Yes, that Annex 2, page 20.
You see, the name of the Land and Standing Council is very much mentioned there.
No, they
Mr.
always,
B. Das, the Land and Standing Council.
no, the tribunal there is councils are appearing for the state. At the first instance, Lordship may say, if Lordship granted, I will take the detailed order sheet of this case.
That you, because
yes,
you are raising a grievance,
Yes, that is
you have not been given any opportunity
that
to
is the
file your counter application.
Entire order sheet I will obtain on some of
That you file,
Yes.
but if we, for 7 years, you will not file the counter affidavit, and now you take a stand that I have not been hard.
No, 18 ମସିହାରେ ସେଇଦିନ ସରିଯାଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ delayed file repeat sir.
And you are challenging the order, this
2018
order passed when?
11/12/2018.
So, what is the purpose in challenging the order at, what is the explanation you are offering?
The explanation.
And
there is no limitation question actually.
oh, it's all right, but that does not mean that after 20 years, you will come to the High Court challenging an order. You are right that there is no such limitation prescribed, but there should be a reasonable time in that way.
If it suffers from latches,
That's right. That is on record.
suffer from latches. And you have a policy at place now.
Policy is
RCB
there.
policy. You
There is-
apply that policy. Now,
No.
recently, 2 months back, you formulated a policy.
You have to examine some other day.
They have a policy now.
Mhm.
Policy.
Look on. The writ petition has been filed by the state of Orissa, Bhubaneswar, in way number 2850 of 2018, in allowing, in directing that the pay of the opposite party, Yudhishthira Barik, be revised and last pay be determined and accrued consequential areas to be paid to him within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. And the order was forwarded to all concerned. And it appears from the impugned order that the order was forwarded to all concerned. Not only there is inordinate delay in approaching this court, but it appears that in the meantime, a policy decision has been taken by the government over the issue involved in the case. The London Council for the state submitted that the state was not given any opportunity to file the counter affidavit. However, since the matter was of the year 2018, and it was also disposed of on 11/12/2018, let the London Council for the state produce the order sheet to substantiate his argument that the state has got no opportunity to file the counter affidavit. Stop. Put up this matter next week or the week after?
Week after.
Put up this matter on the week commencing from 7th of July 2025.
And also to explain the busy.
So to produce the order sheet and also to explain the delay in approaching this court. Yes.
Item 8.
Same.
This is also same.
Same.
Say 2018 masiha
Same.
God bless. 7/7/2025.
Item 9.
Mr. Das,
Sir, instruction to appear for opposite parties.
have you received any copy of the? Are you filing any wakalatnama today?
Today only I pointed out, telephonic instruction, I'll file it now.
Get the you give the names. I sleep. Non appears for the petitioner. Mr. Swanso, Land Council, submit that he has instruction to appear for the opposite party. That the matter may be taken off a week after. This matter in the week commencing from 7th of July 2025. In the meantime, the Land Council shall file wakalatnama. In case the wakalatnama is filed, the name of the Land Council for the opposite party shall be reflected in the cause list. Okay. Yeah.
Item 10.
Mr. Swine.
My lord, earlier this petition has been allotted to London Senior Penal Counsel, Mr. Sanjeev Swine. But right now, my lord, today, my lord, this has been allotted to me. I may pray, my lord, this matter may be taken up 1 week after so that I can.
All right. Name be given.
My lord, S.K. Samantray.
You are the?
My lord, CG, Central Government Council.
Acha. So, Central Government Council submits that the matter has been entrusted to him by the London Deputy Solicitor General and the matter may be taken up. You want it next week or a week after?
One week after, my lord, so that I can take instructions.
All right, a week after. You file your appearance memo then?
My lord, today itself, my lord.
Mr. Sanjeev Swine.
Obliged.
Item 11.
On the prayer of the Land Council for the state, list this matter on 23rd of June 2025.
Item 12.
Please serve a copy. You will appear in this case.
My lord.
Mr. Goshaid. You are the Central Government Council or what?
My lord.
Central Government Council submits that he has instruction from from the running Deputy Solicitor General to appear in this matter for the Union of India, and copy of the writ petition has not been served on him. Stop. Let the Land Council for the petitioner serve the copy of the writ petition during course of this week.
Yes.
Okay. Matter be listed in the week commencing from 30th of June 2025.
Obligation.
Item 13.
Also, I'm appearing on behalf of Union of India. That
You are Mr. Patnaik?
yeah, I am Mr.
Yes. What is challenging me?
Let's say this case having a delay of 96 days. Last.
Writ petition, what is the delay you say? Is there any delay shown by the registry? Town reporter has not shown any delay. As such, there is nothing that the writ petition should be filed within this particular time on the from the date of passing the order, but it should be a reasonable time. But why you have filed a condonation, delay condonation application?
That is, let's say actually then.
I'm just clarifying what happening earlier occasions. There is a practice to file an application for relay publishing, which was now I ignored it because earlier there is a departments have thought.
Matter, Mr.
Yes, wrong. Sometimes wrongly it was filing one. I am sorry, it is a practice you are ignoring this now.
So you withdraw it this.
Yes, we are ordering it.
For the Union of India, Mr. Patnaik seeks permission to withdraw this interim application. Accordingly, IA is disposed of as withdrawn. Yes.
Let's keep it to some other day. We'll have it.
Okay. The Land Council prays for an adjournment. You want it next week, Mr. Padi, or a week after?
Yes, next week.
Next
After
week.
10 days, any date convenient to my.
All right, leave this matter. Then it will come on 23rd.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay. 23rd.
24th, 25th, any date.
All right,
Because
sir.
20th,
All right, 25th we are taking.
Yes, madam.
25/6/2025. Yeah. All right.
Item 14.
Please, the law. My lord, the writ petition is directed against the order passed by the Land and Debt Recovery Tribunal. So we will find the written order at page 195 and except 6. In my lord, I am the auction purchaser in respect of the auction conducted by the bank, and that was settled in my favor in 2018. And thereafter in 2019, a surface application was filed before the DI. Along with that, there was an interim application was filed for condonation of bill. And subsequently, 2003, another application was filed. And the previous application seeking condonation of bill was withdrawn. Accordingly, second application which Lordship will find at page.
No. Who approached the DRT?
Borrower approached the DRT.
Then what happened in that?
The surface application was dismissed on the ground of limitation.
Okay, then why you approached the?
I did not. The borrower again approached the DRT.
And then what happened?
The honorable DRT, my lord, they allowed the appeal, condoned the delay, and remitted the matter for hearing on merit.
Then notice has to go to the.
Here, Mr. Kora is appearing for the bank.
Permission, Mr. Kora, Land Council, submit that he has instruction to appear for opposite parties number 2 and 3. Let copies of the petition be served on the Land Council for the opposite parties number 2 and 3. So far as opposite party number 1 is concerned, requisites for issuance of notice by speed post with proof of delivery shall be filed by
tomorrow.
Monday.
By Monday or
By
23rd of June 2025. Matter be listed on such and such dates. Like, please give the names. As I said, this petition has been filed by Rohit Kumar Santuka and so, challenging the order dated so passed by the Land and Debt Recovery Tribunal, so in appeal number so. are
Appellate Tribunal,
Appellate Tribunal.
Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunal, Kolkata, in appeal number 76 of 2024. Okay, yeah. The name of the land counsel for the opposite party number one is reflected in the pause distance. Yes.
15.
Lordship, this is a matter where we have challenged the judgment of Learned Cat, Your Lordship. What has happened, Your Lordship, on 2009-10-2000 wide annexure 1, the petitioner was put on suspension.
Which is the impugned order?
Lordship, the impugned order is at annexure 7 at page 164, Your Lordship. This order is an.
What was your prayer before the
Your Lordship.
Learned Tribunal?
My prayer was to antedate my promotions, Your Lordship. With
What is the original application?
Your Lordship, original application is at Lordship, page 33. It starts from page 33.
33. Let us come to the relief sought for.
Lordship.
Is that page number?
It is page 57.
57, internal
57.
page 17.
Your Lordship.
All right. You want washing of annexure A by 12.
Your Lordship. That is where the
What is that annexure A by 12?
with the representation made by me seeking for antedating of the promotion to S7 and S8 grade. That was rejected. I have also annexed the particular document, Your Lordship. That is at annexure 5 series, page 49.
Why it was rejected? What is the ground taken and what is the analysis made by the
authority?
You come to the operative part of the order.
Yes.
The order is annexure 7.
Page 164.
The operative part starts in page number 177.
Yes.
Okay, paragraph 15.
Your Lordship. 174. In view of the discussion made above, we find sufficient force on the submissions of the Learned Counsel of the applicant, and accordingly it is ordered that the impugned order dated 17/11/2015, which rejected my claim of antedating.
It was passed. It was in your favor.
What has happened? I am only agreed with the.
You relief sought for Corthile. First prayer is allowed.
First prayer is allowed.
So come next.
Then consequently, it is held that the applicant is entitled to antedate his promotion to S7.
So this is also allowed.
That is also allowed.
Next.
The applicant is entitled for consideration promotion to S9 and S10 with effect from 31/12. That is also allowed. The responsible authority shall consider the grant of finances what shall be entitled.
Okay, this much you are challenging.
Only back wages.
Okay.
Only back wages.
Only the back wages. Because even though the
Sabu matter se appear karo dina nahi.
No.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner drew the attention of this court to paragraph number
15.
Para 15. Sub-para.
Except one prayer of the petitioner, all other prayers have been allowed by the Learned Tribunal.
Limited grievance.
Limited grievance. And the limited grievance of the petitioner is that the Learned Tribunal has held in 15 bracket legion to 5, Roman 5, that in the event of antedating the promotion of the petitioner to S7 and S8, and in the event of his promotion to S9 and S10, he shall not be entitled to any back wages, but shall be entitled to notional fixation of pay. Stop. The Learned Counsel submits that since all other prayers have been allowed by the Central Land Institute Tribunal, the petitioner should have also been given the benefit of the back wages. Issue notice on the question of admission indicating therein that the matter shall be disposed of at the stage of admission. Requisites for issuance of notice on the opposite parties by speed post with proof of delivery shall be filed by, you file it within a week.
Yes.
within a week. Matter will be listed after 4 weeks. Counter affidavit, if any, you filed in the meantime. Yes.
Item 16.
What is your good name, learned counsel?
Pratyashish Mohanty.
Please give it in writing so that.
May I please the motion?
Yeah.
I filed the IU.
Okay.
Yesterday this matter was listed.
Yes, sir.
Why it was kept to today?
To present the IA, your lordship.
What I?
To implement the auction purchaser as a party so that.
Yes, moved to applications. These applications are not decided.
Here is a mallet auction has been conducted
Yes,
by
sir. Yes,
by
sir.
following due procedure of law. Sale certificate has been issued and that has been registered and ROR has been published in the name of the auction purchaser. So he has filed for petition. It's a mandatory with the DRT. Unless you will give opportunity to the auction purchaser, he cannot harm.
Let the application be allowed, be heard.
Yes, sir.
It will be heard.
Who are the parties here? Can it be allowed without hearing them?
Only bank or
Main party is the
private parties are there.
Bank of India.
Private party.
Private.
Four.
Now this R. Santosh Reddy is there, so notice has to be issued. How can
Grievances.
He's the auction purchaser.
He is the auction purchaser. He wants to make him party.
Before the DRT, your lordship, so that the matter can be heard.
Any case will get a hearing in the first court of first instance, so we can allow it.
All right, this writ petition has been filed by the petitioner, Mrs. Sri Loknath Stone Crusher, with the following prayers. However, during course of argument, it is brought to the notice of this court that essay number 24 of 2025 is subjudiced before the Debts Recovery Tribunal at the instance of the petitioner, who is the borrower. And an application, interim application by IN number 601 of 2025 is pending
It has been filed by the additional borrower.
filed by the petitioner borrower has not been considered, and liberty may be granted to the petitioner to move such interim application, and the matter may be taken off expeditiously, be directed to be taken off expeditiously. Mr. Coral and counsel appearing for the bank has no objection to such prayer, even though the
Because the auction purchaser is an issue.
even though the auction purchaser has been included as a party in this writ petition, but we think that even without notice to him, this formal prayer which has been made before this court can be disposed of as the prayer which was made in the interim application is to impede him as a party in the essay. Therefore, the writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to move the interim application by IN number 601 of 2025 before the Learning Debts Recovery Tribunal. It is made clear that we have not expressed any opinion on the merits of either the interim application or the essay number 24 of 2025. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of. As the Learning Counsel for the petitioner files the copy of the interim application by its so and so, which is taken on record. Yes.
Item 17.
Mr. Samantray.
Item 18.
You are there?
I'm appearing for.
No, 17 you are there.
Sir,
Which item?
item number 17.
What do you want? You are for the petitioner.
Sir, we would like to pass over since.
Okay, we are passing it over. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Item 18, my lord. My sole prayer is that Learned CJM Khordha has directed the appointed officer for taking physical possession of the property in terms of the section 14 of the Surface Act and directed the DCP to provide police protection, my lord. It was sought for, my lord. And the required amounts, everything was deposited with the DCP Bhubaneswar, my lord. But despite that, he was not, my lord, deputed any police force, my lord.
When the order has been communicated to the DCP.
My lord, the order was communicated, my lord, Annexure 1 is the order communicated. My lord, on 28/12/2020.
Annexure 1 is the notice under 13(2) of the Surface IR.
Sorry, Annexure 4, my lord. Sorry.
Milord, with the permission, Milord, I am on VC, Milord.
Just a minute. It is,
Milord, the order passed by the CJM has already been elapsed. On Learned CJM has categorically stated, if within the stipulated time the order will not be executed, then you come to here. They explain to be given by the banker before the authority. In the meanwhile, Milord, on behalf of the loanee, a serious irregularity has been committed by the financial institution. SN number 40 of 2025 is pending before the DRT Cuttack, which is posted to 20th June 2025. And 2 times the bank has taken adjournment for filing the objection with regard to the interim application.
Is it correct that essay is pending before the?
no, my lord, he is not. He is intervening and not put forth proper fact, my lord. He has challenged the 13-4 order. No stay is there.
I will file a
Thereafter, considering it, my lord. What has happened, my lord? On 16th.
No, what Mr. Sahoo says.
My lord,
that has expired or something.
no,
like
that is the order, my lord. He is trying to drag the matter.
Please, one by one, if ଜଣେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣକୁ ସହିତ ଏକାଠି କହିଲେ
complete, my lord. I am for the petitioner. He has.
Now you say it has been. Now the DCP.
My lord, what has happened? Your lordship, on the last occasion.
1 minute, listen. Now since you are saying that the DCP has allotted the force and all. Nothing remains in this matter.
My lord, what has happened? Nothing remains, my lord. Only modification.
Then why are you troubling us?
No, my lord, only modification is required. My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship directed to take instruction.
Your prayer is taken care of by the DCP now, according to your own statement.
No, my lord, let me. I will
The drive was.
He's giving.
Unfortunately, I just now got the copy.
He got some.
Yes, my lord, I have also got. I am just apprising your lordship.
Okay.
It's all right. What has happened, my lord?
Don't get.
My lord, what has happened in the 11:30 in the.
Are we rising up? So please have patience. He has produced some documents. Let us go through it.
The eviction drive was fixed on 18/6, Your Lord.
Yes.
And it was on the request of the Cholamandalam to
Again,
refer
so and so DCP order to
Yes.
provide police assistance on so and so. Related to take physical possession of, but the authorized officer so and so expressed his inability to
Yes, sir.
turn up on the date fixed and requested in writing to reschedule to take
The
the
letter is
physical
at the
possession.
That is what I
That is the
am
last
trying to apprise your lordship, my lord. I have received, after intervention of this honorable court, the DCP has given this deputed the force and intimated me in the 11:30 p.m. in the night of
You have
17th.
Okay, you have now requested. You have now requested reschedule.
Only reschedule, that is
That is there.
yes,
What is there?
that is there.
There is nothing there.
Only to reschedule it and finish up.
You request there, they will reschedule
That
it.
is what I have.
Yes.
Milord,
We are disputing of Legon.
Milord,
State has
Milord,
produced
my
the
respectable
18/6/2025 of the Deputy Commissioner of Police Bhubaneswar UPD, wherein it is stated as follows, quote Kardiyandu Pura answer. Since the date is to be rescheduled for taking the physical position, we think that no fruitful purpose would be served in keeping this writ petition pending here. Accordingly, the Deputy Commissioner of Police shall do the needful immediately to give hand over the physical position to the petition.
Officer,
Milord, for revalidate the order, the CGM categorically stated they will approach to the again to the
Sir, in
CGM.
his petition, you can't get relief. His petition.
Next.
That is because the
All right,
regarding the
next,
security
next,
interest has been challenged before the DRT Cuttack. Milord.
Item 19.
Item 19. 19 is my matter. 19.
19 is criminal appeal.
Yes.
626.
Yes.
Upon
626. Hey,
be calm, don't be so. The appellant is Abindra Devuri. You are appearing for the appellant.
Yes.
For the appellant or informer?
Maybe pardon, item number 9.
We are to finish the list first, then we will,
No,
take
you
up
got to
the-
adjourn it to 7. Doesn't adjourn.
Already
Item-
adjourned.
it is already urgent.
What do you want?
What do you want?
Maybe taken up, may not.
No. Somebody said that he has instruction to appear
Yes,
at the opposite party.
Yes, admission, the council for the PCODL.
And we have directed, I think, that you are to serve the copy of the writ petition on so and so, and he has to file his wakalatnama, and that is how it is directed to be listed on 7/7. If you want an early date, we can give it. There is no
Early
problem.
date, my lord. Because stay is involved, my lord. And the
Okay,
things,
so just we the council, we have.
Mr. Maharana.
Mr. Lalit Maharana.
Just intimate him. We are preponing it and fixing it on 30th of June 2025.
Lord.
All right.
I will.
All right. Just intimate him.
Lord.
अच्छा जी डिक्टेशन नहीं थिले हम कही देबे एटा 7/7/2025 करथिली तब 30/6/2025 करबे आ जो नॉन अपियस टा थिला सेटा काटी देबे हला खाली रहिबे जे वांट्स सो सबमिट्स दैट ही हैज इंस्ट्रक्शन बाकी जोड़ा रहइबो एटा काटी देबे हला यस नेक्स्ट
Item 20.
Can you kindly see the last order passed by us?
Last order, my lordship, that the status of the two eyewitnesses.
Status of the two eyewitnesses, custody certificate, and the conduct of the accused.
You got it?
No, we are not received.
Get it next week or the week after that. And have also the custody certificate
Madam.
and conduct all these things. You have got nothing.
Nothing.
The order has been passed in 7/5.
Yes, my lord, I am sending the letter also.
Pursue
So if your officer is not responding, then take action against him. If he is not responding to the AG office letter, take action against him.
That is the last time we have given and
IN number 117 of 2025, the Land Council for the state submits that even though the communication has been made to the concerned officers for Bindu to obtain instruction as for the state order, but he has not got any response and the matter may be taken up 2 weeks after. It is this matter. The week commencing from 30th of June 2025. So, this is an application for bail, IN number 117. no?
Item 21.
I pending for bail.
Hmm.
IN number 790/2022 at flat B is pending.
Yeah.
And my lord, the present appellant is in custody since 6/9/2012, my lord.
Have you got that custody certificate?
No,
You have got the custody certificate. So whether your bail application was rejected on merit earlier?
it was never rejected.
Huh?
It was never rejected.
Never rejected. All right, get the custody certificate.
No, in the meanwhile, the deposition copies may be supplied so that I can pick it.
Achha, all right.
So I will supply.
demonstrating give their order.
Or let him, because he has not moved the bail on merit. So he may be granted.
Why to judge already bail in
No, you have never moved the bail on
Moved
merit.
bail.
So
Well.
try your luck and give the deposition copies.
Yes, my lord.
And in the meantime, also he will get the
Tomorrow I will serve the application of.
IN number so and so. This is an application for bail. The Land and Council for the appellant submits that the appellant is in judicial custody for about 12 years and stop. The Land Council for the state submits that he has not received the deposition copies. Stop. Let the deposition copies be supplied to the Land Council for the state by tomorrow and matter be placed on 30th June 2025. In the meantime, the Land Council for the state shall produce the custody certificate of the petition.
Criminal and criminal antecedent.
And criminal antecedent, and also take instruction regarding criminal antecedent if any against the petition. 30 तारीख दादा.
Obligation.
Item 22.
Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Parijay, please for the parcel bill. On behalf of Mr. Parijay, please for the parcel bill.
So,
Yes, sir.
Item 23.
May I please the lesson? So the appeal is directed against the order of conviction matter. I am seeking for bail matter in this case.
deposition copy supply?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Mr. is arrested on 13/1/2014 manner. Mention he is inside the
Got
custody.
the custody certificate? You have
Doctor
got
certificate not, was not never called for. This was listed the past time.
first time?
No.
To get it and also the criminal antecedent.
Okay.
Look from IN number. So there is an application for bail. The London Council for the appellant submit that the appellant is in judicial custody since 2014.
14 man. 13/1 to
13/1/2014. Let the Land Council for the state produce the custody certificate of the petitioner to also obtain instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Matter will be listed and will commencing from 30th of June 2025. Yes.
Item 24.
These are first. Filed an IA for interim bail on
On what
humanitarian
ground?
grounds, my lords.
On what ground?
Humanitarian grounds, my lords, because of my long custody. There is no such medical documents or anything, my lords.
Then you withdraw it, file a better application. If you are taking the medical ground and not filing any
No,
document.
my lords, no
Not
medical
taking a
grounds.
medical ground,
Yeah.
only mention that to take care of his family. He went to.
It's only on humanitarian grounds.
A copy of the deposition also not there. I mean, permitted.
Have you, the bail application has been rejected on merit?
No, my lords.
Then you move the on merit, you withdraw it, file a application on merit. We are giving you liberty. The IN number so and so, this is an application for interim bail. The London Council for the appellant, Mr. Panda submits that he wants to withdraw this application and to file fresh interim application for bail for May, and he decided on merit. Accordingly, the IA is disposed of as not placed. Yes.
A copy of the deposition mechanism.
The copy of the deposition will supplied to the Land Council for the. Have you got the deposition copy?
My lords, I have got the deposition
Supplied to the Land
copy.
Council for the state in the mail.
The soft copy of the LCR so that I.
You get the soft copy of the trial court record be supplied to the Land Council for both the parties in their respective pen drives. Yeah.
In the meantime, may I pray let him take instruction, my senior, as to the period of custody and.
No, you are you file the interim application, make a mention, and the rest thing will be done. You file it by next week. What is there?
My lords.
Yeah.
I'm grateful.
Item 25.
Item 25. Sometime, my lord, I just want to go through the LCL. The Land Council for the appellant 6 for an adjournment. This matter. 7th of July 2025. Yeah.
Item 26.
May I please proceed? Lordship, kindly have a glance the last order dated 14/5/2025, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, I am filed the bail.
Just have patience, one. State produced written instruction letters issued from my which indicate the father, the mother is dead. Though the father stated that he can handle the appellant and keep under medication as well as surveillance. He will go to the age and might not be suffering from psychosis and more, and it could not be ruled out as we may be afraid to be. No.
What do you want?
What do you want now?
Lordship, in this case, I am having the bail application, Lordship. Classification after the certificate, Lordship,
The ground it has been taken, as it appears, you are provided all kinds of medical treatment in the government hospital, and your mental condition is such that you are suffering from psychosis, NOS, and if you are let out on bail and there is nobody in the family because your mother is dead, father is 77 years old, then it may create some problem in the society also. So
Be there safely.
you are
Then
now
you are getting
stay-
treatment itself.
getting treatment. So
Back to society then.
Yes, yes. This was last time was given.
incident में देखी थी तो.
It has to be correct. You cleared them.
Have you examined what are the symptoms of this psychosis NOS? ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ଆସିଲାନି ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ସେମାନେ ଅବଜେକ୍ସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏଇ ଡିଜିଜଟା ହେଇଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ if he is released on bail and there is nobody else, he may create problem in the society. So what kind of disease is this psychosis NOS? Have you studied it from the Google now? Everything is available.
You read it and try to understand what exactly you are suffering from. Whether you are a threat to the society, threat to your father,
and
or
even
not.
to yourself also. ସେଠି କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି ସେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲକୁ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲକୁ ଟ୍ରିଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦିଆହଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ନିଜେ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ମେଡିସିନ ବି ଖାଇବେ ନିଜେ କିଣିକିନି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ କି କୋଉଠି ଯିବେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଯାହା ହେଲ୍ଥ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଅଛି ଏଇ ଟାଇପର ଡିଜିଜର ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଯଦି ଛଡାଯାଏ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ?
His father will be agree to take care of.
Father is aged about 77 years. He has the ନିଜେ ଯତ୍ନ ନିଜେ ନେଇ ପାରିବନି ବୋଲି report is there. The father is old.
I am contact his father is ready to.
Madam, first of all, you should know what is the symptom of both these diseases. Whether she is a threat to your father or not, please study it. We'll adjourn it. Please study it and then address. Okay.
Review the report. It has already been furnished. Why would mention again? Just keep it. The Land Council for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. This matter will commence from 30th of June 2025. Yes.
Read some literature on this, huh?
Item 27.
Mr. Konda. Password.
Item 28.
On behalf of Mr. Budhia,
On behalf of?
Mr. Budhia, A.K. Budhia.
Yes.
Of memo of appeal kindly on behalf of informant.
You are for the informant.
My lord. I'm for the.
So give him a copy. We'll take up next week, huh? Let a copy of the appeal memo along with the interim application be served on the Land Council for the informant, Mr. Arun Kumar Budhia. During course of this week, matter will be listed on 25th for example, 25th June 2020. 25 तारीख रास्ते अच्छा एटा गोटे रे ऑर्डर कर देबे 68 of 2025. It is to be listed along with CRL number 93 of 2020. Yeah.
93 minor, there is no copy of the interim application.
Mr. Counsel, you are not giving even the copy of the interim application to the Land State Council. Provide him a copy. The Land Council for the appellant shall also serve a copy of the interim application for bail and stay relation of fine on the. So also you are moving an application for interim bail on the Land Council for. You are not pressing it. As 8 or not press kar diyantu. 1274 of 2025, the Land Council for the appellant does not want to press this application, disposed of as not pressed. Allah, baki duitar copy dawako State Council to direction dejanti.
Already annexed with the petition.
He is not having the copy. Are you having the copy?
CRL 56 से copy ଅଛି. CRL 56 से ଅଛି.
Give one more set.
Yeah, just 56.
My lord.
What 56? There, this is CRL number.
CRL 56.
No.
IA copy ଅଛି.
CRL number 68 of 2025 and CRL number 93 of 2025. This is item number 28.
My lord.
So, are you having no interim application copies with you?
93 ର copy ନାହିଁ.
93 ରେ ନାହିଁ, but 68 ରେ copy ଅଛି. So 93 council, ଆପଣ ବି 93 ର council. ତାହେଲେ ଏଇଟା କରନ୍ତୁ, ଏ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଏଥିରେ ପାସ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଏ ଯୋଉ interim application କପିଟା ଯୋଉଟା କହିଲେ ସେଟା 93 of 2025 କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆଦେହରେ କିଛି ଲେଖିବେନି। हाँ 68 रे केवल नॉट प्रेस करिवे जो IN नंबर 1274 of 25 ठीक और
तो इंट्रीम बेल्ट मो नोट प्रेस करले से प्रॉब्लम ऑप्शन
नो
से दरकार
93 रे अपन इंटरिम एप्लीकेशन कॉपी देना
फाइक ना
हाँ
फाइक से
अपन मागुचंदी कॉपी
नो मैडम 93 23 मैडम 158 by 25 आइए इंट्रीम कॉपी होती
अरे कोनटा नाही आपण बाहर कोंदु कोटा नाही आपण दरकार करचंदी आपण कहले इंटरिम एप्लीकेशन कॉपी नाही बेली कोटा नाही
आइए 1274 by 25
सेटा पर से नॉट प्रेस करचंदी कॉपी नै किन कोन करिवे
Why are you creating confusion? Small thing you can sort it out.
No.
यस नेक्स्ट the copy will get cut देबे
Item 29.
I filed an application for pay, but equation copies are required now. Not the pen drive.
the land council for the appellant submits that he is not having the deposition copies with him. Since the trial court record, soft copy of the trial court record is available, the deposition copies of the from the trial court record we supply to the land council for the appellants, also the land council for the state in their respective pen drives, right? आज ही नहीं दे दी कि नहीं जान हम दे दो आप उन्हें पेन ड्राइव नहीं जान नल पढ़े ले पुणे असुविधा and matter be listed in the week commencing from 30th of June 2025.
Item 30.
Respond.
You are for the
For the applicant. But my learned Mr. Mishra has to answer.
There are only 3 matters. It will come immediately.
And then from
the other side is there.
Yes, yes. We are here. I am for
Let them start. Let us see.
press the interim application.
Because we are passing it over,
Only
but
2 matters.
only 2 matters are left out, so ask me. Yeah.
Pass over item number 6.
Yes, Mr. Acharya.
But this matter is there certain subsequent development. Multiple kind keep the liberty to file a supplemental affidavit to place on record the subsequent developments that
Have you filed that affidavit, supplementary
I'll
affidavit?
file.
You intend to file?
Yes, Your Honor,
Mr.
kindly give me that liberty.
All right, Mr. Sahoo Kumar Acharya, land counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that there has been some subsequent development for which he may be permitted to file a supplementary affidavit put of this matter in week commencing from 30th
7th July.
or 7th of July 2025. Anybody appearing for the other
This is a
side?
fresh matter, no
Yes,
notices.
the matter we listed on 7th of June 2025.
July.
Sorry, 7th of July 2025. In the meantime, the supplementary affidavit we filed. Yes.
Deeply.
Item 17.
Yes, Mr. Samudray.
The petitioner company had divulged a loan from Ethical, and Ethical floated a one-time settlement scheme. There he applied for, deposited the amount. The scheme was in 2007. Again in 2013, a fresh scheme was floated. I again applied there. But if you also kindly come to page 21, annexure 6. There they've stated, please refer to our OTS application. Dated
Annexure 6 is 2013 later.
Yes, Lord. It was applied in 2013.
Yeah.
It is pending. And what they say, you'll also may see from that letter itself. Hence, your proposal for OTS under substance 2007 is not considered at the moment. The future course of action will be intimated soon. I went to the office. They are not intimating. I made a representation 23. Kindly intimate the result so that again, if there is any scheme, I can again press apply notes. I want to square.
But for 2013 it has happened, and you stayed till 2023 to give a representation.
Yes, I don't want that it should go. So only I said that both the representation and annexure 7, the consequence, they let them intimate the regions. If there is
Your client is moving very slow speed, even slower than the tortoise.
Yes,
so
he is staying in Calcutta. His company has been.
What is the due amount now?
Like, 77 lakhs, I have deported 55 lakhs. So that I have stated. 55.
Now, at present.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन देदेले 2023 रे बस चुपचाप बसी गले तापर 2025 रे चली आसले ठीक
They are not intimating anything.
Hey, 2013 they have not intimated.
Yes.
You got a letter.
Yes.
You kept quiet till 2023. And 23 you just gave a representation and again kept quiet for two years.
Sir,
And 23 again you.
Sir, they have taken over the property. Now it is under their custody. I am not in possession of the entire Millards because it's a Millards cotton industry Millards.
What is the apparent threat now? They are not, I think.
The apparent threat was any day Millards. They are not intimating. Sir, if notice kari sell kar debe, tale I will be nowhere. Let them dispose of. If they intimate reduce, I can also.
Cotton industries रे अपन केबे टू सेटा फंक्शन करनी
ये जो सर इंडस्ट्री इंडस्ट्री 2010 सर दे
तिब्बा काई तो नोचन
no sir entire area some acres of land building
23 yes
now the rate has gone up. Intimate me what is the
paid
meaning amount
is not
according to you.
ये भी जानी नहीं they are not giving anything.
Oh, you don't know also that. Otherwise.
So representation में जहाँ कोई भेजे इतनी dues अच्छी you claim.
Now you must be knowing it. You don't want to tell that is a different story.
Speaking because after it was taken over he went back to Calcutta. He is a man from Calcutta Millards and सेटे किसी हो नहीं खाली जमीटा को खोला पड़ी थी.
Mention it to mediation.
स्टेटस कौन जाना नहीं ना बीच बैगी देते हुए कौन नहीं थी
नहीं sir no sale because I am 100% sure no advertisement has been made for sale. Epical is in possession. SBI loan I have cleared. Only Epical loan was there Millards.
We can think of issuing notice only for the purpose of mediation.
Council की ऑप्शन दी तांगे
You can call. We can think of sending it to mediation, max to max.
Mr. Padi was appearing for Epical. No, senior counsel Mr. Padi was appearing for Epical.
Give him a copy.
Even Mr. ये can appear.
Anandas.
Mr. Anandas may appear.
I
will contact Mr. Anandas now.
Supply the copy.
I will.
Mr. Latin Samantrel and council appearing for the petition submit that Mr. Swansona की कहा ना
Anand Prakash Das. AP Das
AP Das used to appear for the Epical and he will supply a copy of the writ petition to Mr. Das store. There is this matter in the week commencing from 30th of June 2025. The name of Mr. Das will be reflected in the court. Ethical shutdown.
Sure.
Yes.
Item 22.
I number 1565 over
2022.
22.
I number 1565 over 2022.
For interim bail. On what ground?
Yeah, doctor's marriage.
Doctor's marriage. Kebe?
Tomorrow.
Ali.
Tomorrow.
That's been deferred to 23rd year.
Deferred to marriage is deferred.
Deferred.
To
23rd of this month.
You got a report.
I got. There is no written report.
Written report ଅଛି how?
Telephone.
ଆଣିପାରିବେ ଆଜି ଆପଣ ମାନେ will
I'll try.
or we'll mention it but don't rely on that because ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ orally ପଚାର ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆମେ ରିଫ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଦବୁ.
I'm sure it is on the board. So
tomorrow.
କାଲି back out ଯଦି କରିଦିଅ ପୁଣି ମୁସ୍କିଲ ହବ. Get the report tomorrow କାରଣ 23 ତାରିଖରେ ଅଛି. So
mail ରେ ମଗାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ.
अच्छा, it is this matter on 20th of June 2025. Yes.
Item 27.
27, Mr. Panda. Reinanti. Acha, non-appears for the appellants. Grand Counsel for the state submits that the deposition copies have not been supplied to him. This matter will be commencing from 7th of June 2025, the Land and Council for the appellant shall supply the deposition copies to the Land and Council for the state, right? Right. Yes, next.
Item 30.
For the respondent.
Let's please, Your Lordship, Lord. And VC, if Your Lordship kindly permits me, Lord. Lord, here, in fact, I have filed an interim application that is 2913 of 2025. Now, but this is this matter revolves around resettlement and rehabilitation of these appellants who are villagers of a particular area where the lands have been acquired by MCL for expansion of mining purposes. Now, Lord, these acquisitions they took place in 8 phases.
Have you served a copy of this interim application on the Land Council for the respondents?
Yes, Lord, I've served it on Mr.
Copy has been served.
Yeah.
Copy has been served.
So, anything in reply you want to say on
They have
this?
served it on 17.
Oh.
It was the only
You are the sole respondent.
Yes, 2 respondents are there.
So, you are appearing for whom?
Both. My learned senior SGI, Mr. Nafraj, will be addressing this appeal.
Do you intend to file any objection or you want it to be heard as such?
We'll file objection to it.
Land-
Sir, are you interested to file objection, sir?
Objection can be filed. Otherwise, whether it merits a consideration, kindly have a look at it. Because you see, they want some kind of employment that has nothing to do with the land which is already vested with the authority, the government by virtue of the acquisition. And the lands have been provided, jobs have been provided. Now it's a 2015 appeal. Now they are seeking stay.
No, it is better if you want to highlight all those things by way of filing objection or whatever you want, just bring it all those things.
Very well, we'll do that. We'll do that.
So we can take up this matter a week after. You can file whatever you want to file on this IA.
Right.
That it can be hard on merit because it is listed only for consideration of this IA.
That's right. That's right.
Now, the urgency in the IA is that they have issued us an eviction notice.
You have served the copy on 17th as it was told to us.
Yes, Lord. So we received a copy of the eviction notice, my Lord, on the 13th. So on the next working day, my Lords, we have filed the IA. Lords,
all right. IA number so and so. This is an application.
I can add one thing, if you will permit me.
Yeah.
A friend is there, there's no difficulty. Kindly look at Annex page 28, Annex 2. Just one glance at it, madam.
In the IA?
IA 2913 of 25. Yes, annexure.
Annexure 2, madam.
Yeah.
The reason for filing the application on 17 is evident. This is dated 12/6/2025.
Yeah.
This notice was issued, if your lordship looks at last paragraph.
Last paragraph.
Therefore,
Yes. You are therefore reminded to give vacant possession of your dwelling house within 7 days of this notice. So 12th is the notice date, 7 days from the date of the notice. Then submit requisite document mentioned below to the L&R department, Bhubaneswar, as so that one-time ex-gratia amount can be disbursed within 15 days of complete demolition and shifting of dwelling house structure. Please note that the failure to vacate the dwelling house, MC will take action for demolition of your dwelling house as deemed fit, for which MC shall not be held liable. Sir, I'll just put one sentence for it here. But the entire gamut of the case, main case, is for vacating the dwelling house. They have to give and comply the R&R policy merit. R&R policy says, now the Supreme Court also confirmed in that another matter connecting to this. They say that you have to give not only rehabilitate, but also give alternative site for residence. So a commission was deputed by Honorable Chief Justice to find out whether it has been completed. My friend over there, I'm there. He was there, the commission, and he also given a report which is before your lordship. They are also relying on that. I am also relying on that. I have also indicated that it is not complete for shifting, though few of them have raised construction by obtaining loan. But here, my friend said that it's only for payment of some amount. Sir, actually, what has happened if your lordship looks at the definition, it says the family definition has been extended to also major son, married or unmarried, and major is there. The sons have been noticed that you vacate or will demolish. That means the parents will be ignored, which they cannot do directly. They're trying to do indirectly to demolish all those things. But my respectful submission will be only a single sentence. Let them file objections.
And council.
Yes, yes. What can be done is on 26th or 27th, I am likely to be physically present in Odisha.
28th or 20?
26th or 27th.
26.
Yes.
26.
Yes.
Taken a while.
All right.
This is not demolition.
26th and it will be listed.
Very well.
All right. I will be taken off next week. List this matter on 26th of June 2025.
It's
The
23rd.
status quo in respect of the dwelling house in question as per annexure 2 shall be
Two
maintained.
series were all of them. Two is a series. I have filed one.
No,
Copy has been
shall
given.
not be.
Only one.
Only one. We cannot pass general order like that. Yes,
It's a till interim order till 26th status.
it
quo.
is still 26th.
Very well. Very well. Please.
Sir, I feel series of.
Can it be 23rd if it is?
Is it Rath Yatra? Why are you depriving him?
26, yes.
The date is at 23rd anyway.
You
All
are-
right, all right. Thanks.
Might also definitely it's my duty to.
All right.
Around
Definitely.
26th.
Urgent copy. Please.